crazy, yo. It's fucking crazy.
Yeah.
You got an extra cig?
Yeah, I do.
You mind if I bum one? My bad, I'll get you back.
I don't know, man. I don't know.
I'll get you back.
Of course, dude. Hold on a sec. I gotta tell my friend, tell my teacher I'm not going to class. Like, I'm not going to walk the range here in this shit. Like, you can go suck a dick. Want to blaze instead?
The stem?
You wanna?
Oh, blaze instead?
Yeah.
Oh, I'll play Street Fighter with you.
Go all out, man. Start just smoke the day with me, man. Come on.
Nah.
Why?
I gotta study.
Yes, Sam! Look at that guy.
Never seen it like this, yo.
What?
Shit is crazy. It's like one side's pouring and that side's like sunny.
Dude, the moment I was done with my exam, the storm came. I don't know if that's a fucking good sign or a bad sign. You girls want to come over? You guys want to come here? Yeah, motherfucker! You got class? Yeah. I'm not going to class, man. Fuck this.
Look, I had my cigarette over there.
I'm going to walk to range view.
They're just like pouring on it. I was like, no!
No!
Damn it, no!
Yeah, man, I'm not going to range view, man. Fuck that. I just got done with an exam.
It's like, how hot is it right now, man?
It's like 70 probably.
Yeah, the temperature's still warm right now.
Yeah, dude.
Smoking!
It's like sunny over there.
No, the ones that